Now to our top story. It was the death of a Coloradan that sparked protest across the nation. 23-year-old Elijah McClain died after a simple walk to the store in August 2019. Aurora police stopped him after a 911 caller thought that he was acting weird. McClain was not armed, had not committed a crime, but he was placed in a chokehold, tackled to the ground, and given ketamine by a paramedic. He died 3 days later. Well, now the Colorado Attorney General has announced he wants a grand jury to investigate. Michael Abeyta joins us live in Aurora tonight. Michael, does this mean that the officers or the paramedics involved in this could be arrested?
Well, Karen, maybe, maybe not. It all depends on what that grand jury hears from prosecutors. It is a Colorado case that sparked protests across the nation. 23-year-old Elijah McClain was walking home from a store in August of 2019 when he was stopped by Aurora police. Someone called 911 saying he looked odd.
I have no gun. I don't do that stuff.
McClain was not armed and had not committed a crime, but one officer grabbed him because McClain didn't stop when officers told him to. Later, he told them he had music on and couldn't hear them. The officers claimed McClain resisted arrest and that he attempted to take one of their guns. McClain was placed in a chokehold, tackled to the ground, and given ketamine by a paramedic. He died 3 days later.
They could have treated him like a person instead of an animal.
After initial investigations found no wrongdoing, in June, Governor Polis made an executive order directing Attorney General Phil Weiser to investigate and, if necessary, prosecute anyone that caused Elijah's death. Friday, the AG announced they've opened a grand jury investigation. Lawyer for the McClain family, Mari Newman, says that even though this is a step closer to getting justice for Elijah, it's also another example of law enforcement being held to a different standard.
The video itself provides all of the probable cause that's necessary to charge the officers and medics who were involved in killing Elijah McClain with criminal charges. So there was no need to impanel a grand jury.
And she says she and his family worry that this could be another way to clear the officers and paramedics of any wrongdoing or charge them with lesser charges like in the Breonna Taylor case.
The concern with the grand jury system is that it is cloaked in secrecy. We have no idea who the grand jurors are. We have no idea what information is being provided to them. We have no idea what charges are being recommended to them.
Now, in his statement announcing that they're going to do a grand jury and impanel a grand jury, the AG said, quote, "Our investigation will be thorough, guided by the facts and law, and worthy of the public's trust." In Aurora, Michael Abeyta, covering Colorado First.